Okay, everybody. I'm going to show you the ingredients, and then I'm going to have to open the cans up on the second video, and then I'm going to pour them in the pot. But I'll show you how I do this. Come on. Well, no, you just stay there. Just stay here. Alright, first off, tomato juice. That's the biggie. And here is the beef with vegetables. See, that has the barley and everything in it. See? Okay. Oh, sorry, I guess. Uh-oh. Oh, I screwed up. Oh, man. Wonder if this will be good. This is pork. Oh, we'll see how this turns out. Uh-oh. And here's corn and beans and, you know, that. I got 2 more cans of that. And 1 can of sliced carrots. See? Alright, here's something else. This is what else we got today. We got cereal. See it? It's a big bastard. See? Oh, guess what? I lost 2 pounds. I'm going to lose 2 pounds a week. Then, if Aaron comes back, well, if Aaron comes back in October, then we'll surprise him. So let's see, 2 a week, a month, that's 8 pounds. Let's see, there's May, June, July, August, September, October. That's 6 months, right? What did I say again? That's 8 times, that's 48 pounds, ain't it? That'll work, yeah. Let's see, 48 pounds in 6 months. Yeah, maybe we can do it. That's in a half a year. That's if Aaron comes back. I mean, I like doing this. You know, this is some cool stuff going on. Did you guys hear how Rich Life was talking? Talking about sucking and men dressing up in wigs with dresses, and said he would be happy with that. Or was that him doing it? I don't know. What was that anyway? I've been not around. So all I know is he got a lot of Matchbox cars or Hot Wheels. And he won't even give me none. He's selfish. He doesn't have no bills to pay. He doesn't even live on his own. It's not fair. It's not fair. He doesn't have to pay nothing. Buys pizzas and goes to Burger King all the time. I bet he gets Happy Meals. I get maybe 2 Happy Meals a week, if even that. Lord. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys here as soon as I open these cans and pour it in the pot. Oh, pork meat. I hope it works. Peace out.